Hydroponics how-to. What is hydroponics? In nature, fire and water work together to recharge the soil with nutrients. Hydroponics is about enriching water with the same nutritive salts found in nature. Most hydroponic systems contain a perfectly balanced nutrient solution in a closed system. This makes hydroponics an earth-friendly gardening method and the choice in drought-stricken areas worldwide. Most hydroponic systems contain a perfectly balanced nutrient solution in a closed system. Most commercially available hydroponic nutrients are made for soft water. But nutrient products made for hard water are also available. Hydroponics is a sustainable and efficient method of gardening. A brief history of hydroponics. Hydroponics has been around for thousands of years. Historians have found evidence of hydroponic cultivation in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics. The word hydroponics was coined in 1936 by Dr. W. F. Garrick. It describes the cultivation of plants in a solution of water and dissolved nutrients. Hydroponic gardens have many advantages over traditional soil-based farming. They conserve water and nutrients, prevent soil-borne pests and diseases, and provide a well-balanced diet for plants. In fact, hydroponic systems are so efficient that NASA has developed an advanced method of hydroponics for use in outer space. What all gardeners can learn from NASA. NASA's Controlled Ecological Life Support System, CELSS, program is researching hydroponics as a self-sufficient food source for space travelers. NASA's research can be used by every gardener. For example, NASA has found that high-intensity discharge (HID) lighting, like HPS and MH lamps, is the best lighting to use when gardening indoors or supplementing natural lighting. It's all about the roots. Roots serve three functions: water and nutrient uptake, material storage, and providing support. Hydroponics focuses on healthy roots, where absorption occurs through delicate root hairs via diffusion. Lack of oxygen leads to asphyxiation, damaging roots and affecting the plant. Oxygenation is vital for a plant's growth potential. For maximum growth potential, try aeroponics, suspending roots in mid-air. But beware of algae growth, which can harm plants. Use opaque containers and avoid transparent materials in hydroponic systems. Remember, plant roots are delicate and should not be handled. Transplant seedlings gently, keeping roots wet. Maintain humidity around roots to prevent dehydration and root dieback. Avoid leaving roots in stagnant water to prevent oxygen deprivation. Once roots die, revival is impossible, risking the survival of the crop if the damage is severe. Hydroponic mediums. Soil-free growing mediums are used primarily for starting seeds and rooting cuttings. The less medium a system requires, the easier and less expensive it is to operate. Coconut coir is my favorite loose-growing medium. It combines the water retention of vermiculite with the air retention of perlite. Perlite has been around longer than any other soil-free growing medium. Its ability to retain oxygen is the main reason it is used as a supplement in soil and soil-free mixes. Leca is made of expanded clay pellets that hold water by virtue of its porosity and surface area. These mediums are pH neutral and reusable, making them ideal for hydroponic systems. Choosing the right starting medium. The molded starter sponge is a breakthrough in growing mediums. It solves the problem of crumbling during transplant, preventing root damage and transplant shock. The perfect air to water holding ratio and plastic tray inserts guide roots to grow downward. Perfect starts perform well in all types of hydroponic systems. Rockwool is a popular starting medium for seeds and rooting medium for cuttings. It is sterile from pathogens and is often reused by steam sterilizing the slabs between crops. However, there is a decline in the use of rockwool due to environmental concerns. Its dust can be irritating to the skin and lungs if inhaled. When choosing a starting medium, consider the benefits and drawbacks of each option. Make an informed decision for your hydroponic system.